Straining your eyes against a dim, washed-out image from a traditional lamp projector, or having your movie night ruined by blurry corners and a tedious 20-minute setup process is an absolute nightmare that completely breaks your cinematic immersion. Traditional lifestyle projectors trap you with digital zoom and digital keystone correction, which brutally chops away your resolution, leaves ugly glowing gray borders around your screen, and kills image sharpness. This XGIMI HORIZON 24K RGB triple laser projector completely rescues you from compromised visuals and tedious installations, functioning as a high-velocity, professional-grade home theater workstation engineered to deliver theater-scale luxury with absolute setup freedom. Don't let its sleek, living room-friendly chassis fool you. Beneath its premium exterior lies a powerhouse driven by the groundbreaking X-Master RGB triple laser engine. Pumping out a staggering 3,200 ISO lumens, it pierces through ambient daylight with ease, while expanding wavelength coverage to cover a massive 110% of the BT.2020 color space with an ultra-precise color accuracy, $/Delta E less than 80 cents. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its lossless optical hardware layout. Armed with fully motorized optical zoom and true lens shift, $V/PM 120%/H/PM 45%$. It lets you physically shift and resize a massive, crystal-clear 300-inch image onto your wall or screen without touching the projector, completely eliminating the resolution degradation and pixel distortion caused by lesser digital adjustment systems. Engineered to be the ultimate, all-in-one entertainment hub, the Horizon 20 is heavily certified for visual purists, natively supporting Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and HDR10+ for breathtaking contrast and deep, ink-like shadows via its dynamic black level enhancement. It completely eliminates external streaming stick clutter by packing officially licensed Netflix built directly into a lightning-fast Google TV ecosystem, alongside a robust 4 GB of RAM and MediaTek's elite MT9679 processor. For elite gamers, it activates a high-velocity gaming engine delivering a blistering 1 millisecond input lag at 1080p/240 Hz, complete with VRR, variable refresh rate, and ALLM, auto low latency mode, for tear-free, competitive fluid gameplay. Backed by ISA 5.0, intelligent screen adaptation for instant autofocus and obstacle avoidance, and packing dual 12W Harman Kardon spatial speakers that plunge your room into 360-degree theater audio, it is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for cinephiles and hardcore gamers who demand uncompromised, zero-compromise big-screen perfection. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are deploying this Horizon 20 to curate the ultimate 300-inch backyard movie theater or to dominate high frame rate gaming in your living room. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home entertainment tech, 4K projector reviews, and premium gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.